Hey, so I just thought I would do a very short little video. We occasionally have somebody asking us, the best way to mix glitter, and it all depends on how much glitter you're mixing. Like if you're just mixing, let's say a pound of glitter and you've got 3 colors, you can get yourself, let's say a quart jar, stick the glitters in there, and then, give it a good shake and you're done. But when you get into the larger volumes, what do? And what I like to do is go ahead and get these buckets. There's one here. You would not want to, if you're mixing this much glitter, this is not the bucket for you. This is the bucket for you. And the reason why is you need to have space for that glitter to be able to move around in. So if you have this much glitter, this is your bucket. If you're going to mix about this much glitter, this is an appropriate bucket. So what we do is, if you have like 5 or 6 different mixes that you're going to be stocking and selling to your people, go ahead and get 5 or 6 buckets. Static cling with glitter is outrageous. It just sticks to the outside. You're going to spend half your time cleaning your bucket. So it's better to just go ahead and keep a bucket that says, sea green mix right here. And then that's your sea green bucket from now until forever. The first thing you do when you get one of these buckets, if it comes with one of these, is remove it. You just want to get it out of there. Also make sure it's nice and clean and sterile. There's nothing like contaminated glitter. It's very expensive. All of a sudden you realize, it was dirty inside, and then your batch of glitter is ruined. Okay? The next is you want to have a lid that's easy to get on and off. You don't want to be fighting with it. You want to be able to get it on. You want it to stay on. But when you are done and ready to pull it off, you want to be able to, pull it off easy without, pliers and things like that. Some of these buckets, I don't know who makes them, but they want you to, get the major power tools out to get them off. Okay, why do you need to remove this? It's handy for carrying, right? Well, because one of the best ways to mix glitter is rolling it. Once you've got your, 2 or 3 or 5, 8 colors, whatever it is, once you've got your lid on, you're going to go ahead and, you don't want to sit there and shake it. God, the effort is outrageous for that. What you want to be able to do is actually roll your bucket. You want to be able to roll it back and forth. And with a handle on it, you can see it's a little bit of a problem. I mean, you can leave it on there, but without it, it's much easier. And you can just roll it around, turn it, give it a good roll. And it's the tumbling action is what you want. The next is, if you have a bucket like this, it gets pretty heavy. It's not necessarily, one of those things where you're going to have a little table you can roll it on. You might get it on the floor and actually, roll it back and forth. You'll find that it mixes rather quickly. Okay, so obviously we're talking about fairly small business at this point. What do you do for the next one? There's actually very lightweight cement mixers. They're made out of plastic. They're not like those big honkin' ugly things that you've seen in rental places or on construction sites. These are lightweight ones. The drum is about this big, and it's at an angle, made from plastic. And in this case, you're going to be making a very large batch. Maybe 50, 70 pounds of glitter will fit into it nicely. Open air, you let it do its tumble. You pull it out. You will have to clean it. There's no way you can, if you had 70 mixes, there's no way you're going to have 70 mixers. So in this case, do your batch is big enough where cleaning it, every once in a while isn't a terrible, chore. Okay, so buckets for small business and the cement mixers, and then we've prepared a little video for you that shows you how we do it. We hope you find it to be instructional.
CPG Box Sales, how may we help you? So you want 5 pounds of the Blue Dazzle, 5 pounds of the Crystalline Blue, 5 pounds of Purple Perfection, and 5 pounds of Gold Bullion. Excellent. Yeah, that would be perfect. Thank you so much. Bye for now. It's a mix.
glitter, best shaken, not stirred.